Siri_bot says Siri_bot has joined Cerebral Love.
Right. I hope this isn't going to be difficult. Couples. Was this open? I didn't realize you could click on those and it opens up information about stuff. Oh, dang. Wait, is this literally... Wait, maybe this is just the same thing. Let's see, should I talk about... Oh, it's just the same thing anyway. Let's see, sure, tuples a data structure. Which organizes data holding two or more fields of any type. Oh yeah. Okay. Tuples typically created by placing two or more expressions separated by commas within a set of parentheses. All you need to know. Small or white space. Triple. So this is the tuple. Hmm. Tuple can be used in assignment initialization operations as a return value or a method argument. Fields are extracted using dot syntax. By default, the first field is item 1, second item 2, etc. Non-default names are discussed below. Int. Oh wait, this is different than I thought it would be. Wait, what is happening in this example? 2. Oh my god, what's this operator? What are these called again? I forgot. It's gonna be something like one of these. Oh, logical operators. What the? Oh, ternary conditional operator. Conditional operator, also known as the ternary conditional operator, evaluates a Boolean expression and returns the result of one of the two expressions, depending on whether the Boolean expression evaluates true or false, as the following example. Display temp in Celsius. Less than 20. Cold. Oh. Perfect. Cold. Let's see. Number one greater than number two. Number one. Oh wow. Or number two. One. Still.
Superbrain
Oh
says
my
yo
god,
what
it
up.
scared me for a second. Yo, what up? Yay, you get to be first, Superbrain. I'm just trying to understand what's happening with this, like how the tuple works, at least in C sharp. At first, okay, so when I was looking at the code up here, at first I thought these were the values. Like it's defining, well, these are the types of the values that go in. Like the first one is supposed to be a bool, and the second one's an int, and the last one's a string. That's what I thought. But then I saw this example. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it's, and then I realized this says bool, but then this is an int, so I guess it's not like defining what goes in this first spot, like I thought it was. This is confusing. Oh wait.
Superbrain says that's a function.
Oh yeah, I just realized I'm just getting confused with like the. Oh, they're not the same thing. Cause like, but then. Okay, this is a function. And what's this then? But this has something to do with the tuple, right? At least the thing at the beginning, bool and int. I wonder. Number one, number two are inputs to the function. Got you. Bool int are the return
Superbrain
types.
says number one and number two are inputs to the function.
Oh.
Bool, int, are the return types of the function.
I didn't even know you could do this. Okay, so this has nothing to do with a tuple, right? This, at least this part. It just happens that it just looked kind of similar, but they're not the same thing because it's a function. What you said.
Superbrain says, well, the function returns a tuple.
Oh, that's what it's trying to. Oh, okay. Function returns a tuple. Oh, because it's gonna return both a bool and an int, but both, not just like one or the other. Oh wow. I wish they like explained more in the code comments. Thank God you're here, but like.
Superbrain says yes.
Oh, thank you. So then, wow. Oh, so this will be the int that's returned, and this one is if the for the bool part, if they're equal, it'll be true, but if not, the bool will return false for this. I think I see now. Thank you. I don't know how long I would have been stuck on this if you weren't around. Ah, I get to move on. Yay. Method argument. Int. And int operands. Okay, let me think about this. So then this must be what it returns. Return type, because in front. Add. And then we'll take a tuple as a. Are these called arguments? I don't know. But yeah. It goes into the function. Turn. Item for the 0th item in the tuple.
Superbrain says item 1 for the 0th item in the tuple. LUL, no idea what's going on here.
Yeah, they're just by default. Yeah, by default the names are item 1 and item 2. For the tuples, like yeah, like you can give them custom names or something, but by default, if you don't define one, they'll just be called item 1, item 2, item 3, and then you can like get what's being stored here with the dot notation things. I think that's what it said. Return operands dot. Oh yeah, so return this first int, and then item 2 is the second int, but add it together. Method argument. Oh?
Superbrain says, I guess that makes sense, sort of. Still weird to do it differently from indexing.
What would Python do? Oh wait, you have to use like a dot index thing, don't you? Or there's like an index and then you like I don't even know. There's something that showed up earlier in Exercism. And then we started talking about tuples a while back. I remember. Kind of. My tuple.
Superbrain says to get the first item in a tuple you do my underscore tuple 0.
Oh. I mean, that's almost the same thing. It just looks a little different. Except you start on 0. But nearly the same. Field names, item 1, etc. do not make for readable code. The code below shows 2 ways to name the fields of tuples. Oh, but wait, with Python, you can't even name your name like for each. Like you just gotta say like you gotta put a number, but you can't give it a name, right?
Superbrain says I'm fairly certain when indexing a list or array or whatever in C.
I see. Sharp. But maybe the reason why that you have the dot notation is because there's like more features. Like you can rename what they're called. You can change item 1 into like a different name for like convenience instead of having to just only use numbers. That's my guess. So they just like took that and like did more for it. They're just index.
Superbrain says right.
Sort of do something
in
like
Python
that.
they are just index. I guess you could use a dict to sort of do something like that, but then you lose immutability.
I see. I don't even know if these are tuples by definition immutable. Like, maybe these are not immutable too, since this is like, this seems different than an array. What you said. Field names, item 1, do not make readable code. The code below shows 2 ways to name the fields of tuples.
Superbrain says I don't know C.
Yeah. I don't know either, but my guess is maybe. It's like they're adding something on top of it. Or something. Wait, thank you. You can't be wrong when you say maybe.
Yes.
So, the code below shows 2 ways to name the fields tuples. Note also in the code below that var can be used with tuples and the type inferred. With tuples and a type. Okay. This works equally well for tuples with named and unnamed fields. Okay, I need to see examples. In Python, you could
Superbrain says in Python you could to my success, my message equals results to unpack the tuple like here.
No. My success, my message equals results. Oh, you mean like, oh, okay, let me read the C# version and then I'll look back at what you wrote and it should make sense. I didn't even start reading this. I was like, where is my success and my message coming from? But I see. Example. Name items and declaration. Okay, bool success, string message, results equals, oh yeah, tuple. True. Well done. Bool my success equals. Oh yeah, so maybe you mean for the first line, this is what you would do in Python, the my success, my message. My success equals results. Wait a second. Oh, for the first.
Superbrain says for the first 3 lines.
It does everything that's in the first 3 lines, but it just does it in 1 line? Insanity. True, well done. Bool my success equals results dot success. Oh, okay. Second, third.
Superbrain says oh holla. Only the second and third.
Got you. Equals results dot success. String my message equals results dot message. Oh, okay, I see. Let me look at yours. My success, my message equals results. Wow. I see. That's cool that you can do it like that in Python. Even though this is like more lines, when everything is spelled out for you, it makes it so much more clear to like easy to understand for a beginner in a way. Like this.
Superbrain says, this way of handling tuple feels like structs, but I might get punched for saying that.
You can't get punched when you're the only one in chat, am I right? You're king of the chat now, so. Punched. Dang. I definitely don't know enough about using structs. Well, I've never even used one. I just learned what they were yesterday to be able to just like tell if something seems structure-y. Oh, wait a second. No. Wait, I'm wrong. this is for renaming the field. I don't know. I thought he was creating another variable and putting the. Oh, he is. Oh yeah. Wait, but then this is what's his name? Hold on. I can do it. This is called. Oh my god, this is hard. Wait, it's the opposite of Strux. It's the other. It's the Josh. What? No.
Superbrain says
This
Josh.
is um. Yeah, but what's the thing the classes do?
Superbrain says classes.
What's that word? It's their. You know when you change, when you assign, when you give, you add. Oh my god! Wait, where you like put a variable into another variable, but you don't create a new variable. You just like have another name for the variable. Pass by reference. Yeah, this is giving me pass by reference vibes.
Superbrain says pass by reference.
Because all that's happening is you're changing you're making it so that you can refer to it by my message instead of saying item 2. So then it has to be a reference. Probably. Oh, wait, right? Probably? Oh, actually, I don't know. I guess in any case, my message would still give the. I mean, you still get the result, but I don't know. I don't know. Name items and creating expression. Oh wait, but maybe you're saying like it's probably like a structure because of the syntax with the dot thing. Because then I think you guys were saying something yesterday, like when you use the dot thing, like it's weird. Like structures have a weird way of like accessing stuff in them with the dot thing. Dot syntax. So yeah, maybe you're right then. Name items and creating expression. Okay, now I get to see what the var thing does. Var results 2 equals success. Oh, renew it true. Message well done. What the? Message 2 equals results 2 dot success. Results 2 dot message. Oh wait, no, never mind. I was wrong because I forgot. It's actually trying to show this part. It's probably what you said. Like structure. I was thinking of something else. Like, I thought this was doing something different than it was. But the part they want you to pay attention to is, I see now, it's this part. So you can say bool success, or you can say success. Wait. Oh. Or you can say, wait, hold on, let me turn off some of my alarms. Because I don't need them right now.
Superbrain says alarm.
Alarm! Results 2 equals success true, message well done. So then this is just taking this part that was in the beginning and then putting it in the end. But then you don't have to write bool or string because of var, I guess. Bool, this is 2. Results 2 to success. So then this line is equivalent. I think that's what they're saying, that this line is the same thing as this line, but there's like 2 ways you can do it. I think.
Superbrain says, wait, am I being learned?
Heck yes, I'm forcing you to learn C#, and if I do every language ever, you will learn every single language ever with me. Yay. I feel like maybe in the future it would be fun to Like if I do affiliate and then like the channel point rewards, like to add something where like people, and maybe it depends how disruptive it is, but maybe add something where people can like pick a programming language and then I'm like forced to test it out for like 5 minutes or like research it for 5 minutes or something. That could be fun. Maybe. This exercise has you analyze phone numbers. You are asked to implement 2 features. Phone numbers passed to the routines are guaranteed to be in the form N, 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 N. That's e.g. Yeah. N non-null. Analyze a phone number. Your analysis should return 3 pieces of data. An indication of whether the number has a New York dialing code, i.e. 212. Okay, as the first 3 digits. An indication of whether the number is fake, having 555 as a prefix code.
Superbrain says there are a lot of esoteric weird languages
that
are not useful nor used in any real capacity. But people love to talk about them.
I think if I implement that, like, well, there's also like an infinite amount too, because people can like make their own languages. So to stop to prevent too many memes and trolling and stuff, I probably would make a list. Like, here's a long list of languages that are actually used by people, not like the Pikachu programming language, but like real languages, and then they can pick from that list.
Superbrain says,
yes.
So there is an arbitrary amount.
Not an
infinite.
Largely arbitrary amount. Wait, this instruction is confusing. An indication of whether the number is fake, having 555 as prefix code. In positions, 5, I see it. It's just saying, like, wait, prefix code, then that should be at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. Positions 5 to 7, numbering from 1. I don't understand this. Wait, prefix code. So they're just saying like it doesn't have to be, because I thought a prefix would come at the beginning, but the positions 5 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 3 numbers, N, they don't want a 5 in it. Oh, they don't want 3 5s.
Superbrain says though if you count potential languages
I do.
as languages, then yes, there are probably uncountable infinitely many.
Because, I forgot how many new programming languages are made every year, but, depending on, like, when I am, there'll be more in the future. So. Hi, Terras. Hello.
Paris Mazapa says, hey guys.
Just learning some C#. And then if I finish this exercise, I'll do Python later. Do you code, Terrace? The last 4 digits of the number. Okay. Implement the static method phone number dot analyze.
Says yeah, laughing face.
Oh, cool! What languages do you use, or what's your favorite? What do you mean? Static method phone number dot analyze. I want to see if I can eventually meet someone, like meet a person who uses like every single. Well, I mean like meet at least one person, so that after I meet a bunch of people, I will have met at least one person who has.
Paris Mazapa says I did a brainfuck spreadsheet processor, where brainfuck is language for writing formulas. Laughing face.
I have not heard of that. Is that real? Wait, what am I supposed to see, Superbrain? Is this one of the things we were just like talking about? Oh, you just not Terrace coming in and being an example.
Love to talk about them.
Dang. So that's why my friend was recommending you should learn JS duck, you know? I'm obviously censoring that, but still. Is that one? I guess that must be another one of them. What is... I don't know what any of this is, but it feels very memey. But yes, Superbrain, that's why when I make my list of languages, it's going to be capped for very specific ones.
Superbrain says still a very humorous language.
Oh, thank you for following. I don't know if that was you, Terrace, but thank you. Oh, or KMLD. Hello. Responding can always tell you. Aww.
KMLJKFJKFF says hello. I just
wait a
recently
second.
found your channel and can already tell that your content is great, and I would love to stick with you long term. If you're open to it, I'd be willing to connect with you on Discord. My username is Oprah70.
Yes. That sounds sus. Yeah, at first it sounded genuine, but then when I saw the
Superbrain
connect
says
with you on Discord,
fingers, but that sounds sus.
I don't want to buy any Steam overlays. I don't want to buy any banners. I'm not interested at all. Like, I'm negative interested. I'm not buying anything, and I don't want you to sell anything to anyone. So yeah. Below the stream? Where?
Oh, you mean there's a Discord link below the stream.
Yeah, people wanted to connect. They would just visit my server. But I mean, through the server. I'm not gonna like add random people. But yeah, I mean that could be a genuine message. It seems a little sus. It seems like those bots that go around on Twitch trying to sell overlays. Could be. It's like 50% sus. But anyway, Terrace, do you use any, I don't know, other languages? Why do people always say that?
Terrace Mazapa says, can you check brainfuck, please? Smiley face.
Superbrain, please explain what's going on. You already mentioned people love to talk about, you say, them. Like, what is all this? This will probably happen again in the future. I'm just, like, curious. Oh, okay.
Terrace Mazapa says, I use Kotlin/Java/Dart.
Oh, cool. I've heard of Dart. I think I've heard of all of those. Well, I mean, I've never heard of Java. Kotlin, maybe I only heard that like once. Isn't Dart the thing that's... I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. What was it called? Is that related to Google or like mobile app development?
Superbrain says brainfuck is an esoteric programming language. It is very jarring to look at, but it is Turing complete.
I see. So it's like, it can be classified as like, kind of like one of the, meme programming languages, like the Pikachu programming language. Beautiful. Yeah, okay, great.
Terrace Mazapa says,
meme language, gotcha. But that's funny that you came and mentioned it, because before you came into the chat, Superbrain and I...
Terrace Mazapa says, but it is fun to look at.
Yeah, Superbrain and I were having a discussion about... I was saying to Superbrain, like, oh, if I become affiliate...
Superbrain says, I think that is what esoteric means in this context.
That if I become affiliate and I add channel rewards, I could add a reward where people can pick any programming language, and then I would like study it for like 5 minutes. But then Superbrain was like, there's like a lot of crazy languages that, not the standard ones. And I was like, oh wait, you're right. I would have to make like a list of predetermined languages for people to pick from. Analyze return to reduce the phone number info. Phone number to analyze, blah blah blah, string thing. False, true. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, so this one's false because it's not 212. This one doesn't have Oh, this has 555 here. I count it wrong. Positions, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, the dashes count as a number, I just realized. And then the last 4 digits number 1, 2, 3, 4. Detect if a phone number has a fake prefix code, 555. Isn't that just what... Oh, because they're gonna have you use the tuple, I get it. Implement the static method phone number is fake to detect whether the phone number is fake using the phone number info produced in task 1. This doesn't seem bad. I hope I don't get stuck, because this doesn't seem bad. Thank you, whoever followed. Please don't be a bot. But, okay. Copy. I think if you just, like, keep these and, like, put them outside of the
Superbrain
method,
says
it doesn't matter. A wolf. That's the follow noise. One of the Twitch, like, the default follow noises, but that one's my favorite. It's so cool. You get it? Because when people follow, they're joining the pack, right? Also, it's just, like, cool. I don't know. It's, like, not a jarring noise. It's very subtle and nice. Okay, so, wow, so they set this all up for me, so I don't even have to type all this out. Is this really learning? If I don't have to type out the, like, syntax for to make the
Superbrain
tuple?
says, oh, it was rather quiet, as if your window was open and there was a wolf in the distance.
Oh, cool. Yeah, whenever you hear that, that's the sound of someone following. Analyze string. Oh yeah, phone number. Okay, so what was the first task? Oh yeah, it has a New York dialing code. Oh wait, but because we have the dashes, I'm gonna have to do stuff with strings again. That's not fun. But the first 3, okay. I guess the first 3. I mean, it's not cheating if I go look at the previous code that I used, since I kind of forgot some of the library functions for working with strings. I don't think so. But if I just want to grab the first 3 characters in the phone number, I don't know, is there something that does that? Like a specific... I don't remember. Can I use substring for that? Maybe. I wonder if there's something better. How do you do this? I think you, like, is... Oh wait, no. It's called phone number.
Superbrain says substring sounds like the perfect match.
Ah, okay. So then, I'll call it first... Wait, I think I'm supposed to use camel case. I'm not sure, but I'll do it anyway. First 3 digits. It's phone number dot... Well, why do I not get the helpful dialogue? Wait. I wonder if I'm doing it wrong already. There's supposed to be more, like, recommendations. Like, you know, like a thing to pick from, but maybe not. This looks like it could be bad.
Superbrain says phone number equals phone number.
Oh! I'm dumb. Thank you. This type of thing matters. Capitalization. Thank you. Phone number. Oh, and that. There we go. Wait, I want the recommendations. Huh. But wait. Oh, God, there. Now I should get what I want. No, wait, or not. But now it looks exactly like whatever. I think last time too. Whatever. It wasn't giving me the recommendation. Like, I just had to type it. I don't know why. So this might be right.
Superbrain says, huh.
Yeah, I don't know why. I also could just be wrong, and this is just the wrong syntax. That's possible. Alright. Substring, and then what does it take in the inside? I think just the lane. Is that what it does? Maybe I'll like print it. I forgot how you do print. I'm gonna start mixing up like Python and C# at some point where I'm getting like really confused on how to like make stuff. Will it even return that? Oh god. Yep. This isn't Python anymore. Semicolons. Or oh wait. Oh, I have to put a type. Oh god. This is bad. I hate it here. What is it? Is something that is expecting a. Oh my god, really? And here too? Okay, maybe this actually isn't. Oh, I see. You can't have this outside. I'll just put it down here. It's fine. It can just stay in there. I don't need this. I can just delete it, but I was just keeping it because it came with the text. Now what's wrong? Oh, because it's a tuple! Oh, that's annoying. So again, I just want to see if it returns the first 3 digits or not. That's literally it. Fine. So when returning, then okay, because it's a tuple, so let me just look at how did they do. How do you return things for the tuple? Oh, you have to have like different types separated by the comma, right? So like, wait. So I could just be like true, true. You know, just make something up so it'll run. I think. Is this how you do? No, that's not how you do. Okay. Let me go back to the instructions. Yeah, anything that looks simple ends up not being simple. I'm not surprised. Oh, wait. So this one is. Oh, I know. So it has to be in commas. I think. Yes. Okay, good. So what did it give back? I mean, what's the string that I got? Because this last one. Actually, no. It should be no. Sorry, in task 1. What the? That's confusing. It returned 212 1234. That's not what I wanted. Oh wait, this is the starting position. That's what happened. Because let's say 1 0 1 2 3. It starts on 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 0. 0, 3. But Superbrain, did you notice, if you're still there, did you notice how like learning Python is like screwing me up in C sharp because I'm not like putting semicolons after things and I'm not defining the types anymore? it's so sad. 631. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, so first 3 digits.
Superbrain
That's
says
what I want.
but I'm a bit lost myself.
A bit lost? What's there to be lost about? So if first 3 digits. So is New York. New York is what area code again? 212. You know, I could. I don't have to make an if statement, do I? I can just put it in here. Like, delete the true. First 3 digits. Equals 212. And then it should return true. That should be good. Oh wow. Cannot be. Oh, string. It failed. Wait, what is this? What is it supposed to give? If it's from New York, it should be true. Why is this not true? Well, this should be false, but why did it... What happened? I thought this would work. Six, 3, 1. Expect it. False, false. Actual false. Oh wait, it is doing that. Wait. I'll use differ. Expected actual. It's just doing the whole test. What is this? Analyze non-fake, analyze fake, fake. Oh, okay. No, the first part's working. The second and third part aren't working yet because I haven't put them in yet. So that's fine. I think this is okay. Next is fake. So I think I want to do substring again. Second 3 digits. And then what is it? And a phone number. Like... Wait. 0, 1, 2... Wait, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4... Phone number dot substring. Wait a second. Is the I need to make sure that this number's right and this the second number for Let me see. 515, yeah. Okay. So this is... Wait, is fake returns... Is fake using the... Okay. Second 3 digits. It's 555. Okay. And the last one.
Civitatum says hot.
Hi! There you are, SVQ! Hello! This is going better than the one from yesterday. Because I think I'm going to be able to do it. Yeah. But you know what was funny? Before you came, I was getting mixed up with Python. Because up till now, I've been doing Python over the last few days. And then since I'm getting back into C#, I didn't put any semicolons. I didn't define any of the types. And then, of course, I got like a bunch of like errors when it tried to run. Because it couldn't. But it's like, oh yeah, I forgot. I need to use semicolons because it's C#. It's not Python anymore. Even after the return statement has. So that was fun. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, what's the third instruction? Wait, where's task number 3? Huh? There's supposed to be 3. Wait. Oh wait, am I just... Okay, never mind. I swear, there's supposed to be a task 3, okay. Or not? Wait a second.
Civitatum says that happens after I succumbed to madness and began using Rust all the time.
Succumb to madness. Amazing. So you started mixing up syntax and stuff too, and you're like, oh damn it. That's cool. Wait, I saw this video. I think it was deleted. I don't know why. But there was this YouTube short.
Civitatum says I sometimes was trying to implicitly return in the language.
And oh! the language did not like that. But... Wait, can you...
Superbrain
okay.
says I have only ever heard amazing things about Rust.
Please return if you don't put semicolon.
Everyone hates it.
Oh, wow! That's what implicit return means. Oh, wait! Is that why? Okay, I have a question. Oh, wait, hold on. I have to look at a message really quick.
Civitatum says at Superbrain it is amazing. It's just not the same as the language.
But I have a question for you. So I think I might know the answer based on that one example. But I saw a video that had a bunch of like programmer memes, and it was like making fun of people who program in different languages, like stereotypes, right? And then when the one for Rust came up, it said like, oh, it was like pictures, like this is what people who do C are like, this is what people who do Java are like, and then when it was like this is what people who do Rust are like, it was like a photo of like a woman in knee-high stockings with her feet up on the desk, just like relaxing and not and staring at the computer, and that was for Rust.